How many wine bottles do you have in your home? Are you looking for contemporary wine rack and wine storage ideas? Literally, there are countless types of wine racks you can consider making for sale or for gift or personal use. Wine bottle racks are essential for any wine enthusiast, providing a practical and stylish solution for storing and displaying your wine collection. Whether you're a casual drinker with a few bottles or a serious collector with hundreds, understanding the different types of wine racks, their benefits, and how to choose the right one for your space is crucial. Wine is a delicate beverage that requires specific storage conditions to maintain its quality over time. Proper storage helps preserve the wine's flavor, aroma, and overall integrity. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative contemporary wine rack and wine storage ideas you can make for sale or personal use. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wine racks not only protect your bottles but also make it easier to access and organize your collection. An organized wine rack allows you to quickly find the wine you want, whether for a special occasion or a casual dinner. Many wine racks are designed to keep bottles horizontally, allowing the labels to be easily visible. This makes it easier to identify your wines without having to rummage through boxes or cabinets. Having a designated space for your wine helps you keep track of what you have in your collection, making it easier to plan meals and pairings. Wall-mounted wine racks are a popular choice for those with limited floor space. They can be installed in kitchens, dining rooms, or wine cellars, providing an elegant display while saving valuable floor space. These racks come in various designs, from minimalist metal frames to ornate wooden constructions. They can hold anywhere from a few bottles to several dozen, depending on the model. Freestanding wine racks are versatile and can be placed in various locations within your home. They come in different sizes and styles, catering to both large collections and smaller spaces. Many freestanding racks are modular, allowing you to expand your storage as your collection grows. This adaptability makes them an excellent long-term investment. Wine cabinets combine storage and display, providing a more sophisticated option for wine enthusiasts. They often include temperature-controlled compartments, making them suitable for long-term storage. Wine cabinets come in various styles, often resembling elegant furniture pieces that can enhance your home decor. Many feature glass doors, allowing you to showcase your collection while protecting it from light. For serious collectors, a wine cellar is the ultimate storage solution. Wine cellar racks are specifically designed to accommodate large collections, ensuring optimal storage conditions. Wine cellar racks can be custom-built to fit your space and collection size. They often include features such as climate control and specialized shelving that can accommodate various bottle sizes. Portable wine racks are designed for convenience, allowing you to transport your wine easily. These racks are often collapsible and lightweight, making them perfect for picnics, parties, or outdoor events. Portable racks can hold a limited number of bottles and are ideal for those who enjoy entertaining or traveling with their wine. Wood is a classic material for wine racks, offering warmth and beauty. Various types of wood can be used, including oak, pine, and mahogany. Wooden racks can add a rustic or elegant touch to your decor, depending on the finish and design. They can be stained or painted to match your existing furniture. Metal wine racks are known for their durability and modern aesthetic. Common metals used include wrought iron, stainless steel, and aluminum. Metal racks often feature sleek designs that complement contemporary decor. They are less susceptible to environmental changes compared to wood, making them suitable for various conditions. Acrylic and plastic wine racks are lightweight and often more affordable than their wooden or metal counterparts. They can be molded into unique shapes, offering a modern and stylish look. Clear acrylic racks allow you to showcase your bottles while keeping them organized. They are also easy to clean and maintain. When we look at the benefits of using wine bottle racks allow you to maximize your available space, whether in a kitchen, dining room, or wine cellar. By providing vertical storage, you can store more bottles in less space, making it easier to keep your collection organized. A well-designed wine rack can serve as a decorative element in your home. Whether you opt for a rustic wooden rack or a sleek metal design, a wine rack can enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. By storing wine bottles horizontally, wine racks help keep the cork moist, preventing it from drying out and allowing air to enter the bottle. This is crucial for preserving the wine's quality over time. Wine racks make it easy to access your bottles whenever you want to enjoy a glass. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or simply relaxing at home, having your wine organized means you can quickly find what you're looking for. Wine racks come in various styles and designs, allowing you to choose one that fits your space and needs. Whether you have a small collection or a vast array of bottles, there's a wine rack that can accommodate your requirements. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative contemporary wine rack and wine storage ideas you can make for sale or personal use. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.